Hi, this is Eric with DiffuserDoc.com, and in this is just a quick product video to show up close the replacement part for a Rainstone diffuser or any other diffuser made by Pusen that looks just like this. The product is a replacement top for the diffuser. Sometimes, I don't know, you may lose this or your dog may chew it up. If that's the case and you need a new top, we have them on our site. They're 3D printed. They look like this. They're black instead of a dark brown, but they slide right in. They have a cool feature to make sure no water stays in this area here when you pull it out and drips. But they slide right in place. Gives it a nice look when it's a nice black sleek look. And it's just a replacement part for this in case you've had it damaged or lost or chewed up by a dog. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. That would help a lot. And if you have any questions, you can contact us at support@diffuserdoc.com or doc@diffuserdoc.com, and we'll be happy to answer them. I appreciate your time, and we'll see you soon.